There are so many different things to potentially optimize in cloud. Where should folks start?
Where should folks start? Going to the FinOps Foundation website and signing up. It's free to sign up. All the information there is absolutely free. It is the nexus of our industry, and the vendors, all customers are represented there. I think that's a wonderful place to start.
Great. And I concur. FinOps to me means just behaving like an adult who understands that stuff has costs. And I thoroughly endorse taking on the mindset as fast as you can. Now, one of the things that I know from our own company experience working with AWS, when we used them, we don't anymore. Everybody has their own billing consoles. Their own billing consoles will even provide you with some guidance as to how you might save money. Are they sufficient?
Well, the answer is it depends. Now, if you are a single cloud company and you don't have a very large spend, by very large, I mean, let's say it's south of a couple of $1 million a year, those consoles are probably good enough. However, I'm going to give you two views. One is a cynical and one is an optimistic. The cynical, and you choose, it's a spectrum, right? The cynical view is that your overspend is their profit. And so they have an incentive for you to make use of their system, but not holistically solve the problem. Mm-hmm. They've been around for 23 years, 24 years. I don't remember now at this point. If they had an opportunity to really holistically solve the problem, they would have done it. Right now, the optimistic view is it's a large organization just like any other, and there are different parts of it, and some parts of it really want to help you solve that cloud cost problem. Now, when does it make sense to have to build your own, perhaps, or have a third-party solution? When you're multi-cloud, because you want to ingest data from all the cloud providers, have it commingled, and analyze it there, create the budgets there. You want to use the third-party tool when you want to do more sophisticated things like track your budgets to plan, send alerts, get anomalies. Most companies, even large ones, don't have room for more than a few people, a small group, to invest in to manage a cloud spend. And so if I were in their shoes, I would be thinking about, well, I've got a limited amount of capacity. Do I really want to do 100% of the things myself? Or do I want to leverage some other tool that gets me 80 to 90% of the way there and allows me to do the 10% of the very good work that I can do, the last mile for my own company? I think that the algorithms will never fully understand everyone's unique business, right? The business context. And so I think a really smart approach for multi-cloud companies is to leverage some third-party solution and then build on top of it. That's the real smart solution. And of course, look, every company is unique and every story is unique. I would think deeply about the space, about your unique problem. Join the FinOps Foundation, see what others are doing, and you will arrive at the right solution.
Sound note to end on. Thank you, Sasha, for the time. That was an interesting session. And thank you.